The aim of the experiment is to determine the focal length of a convex lens by obtaining the image of a distant object. The material required for performing this experiment is a convex lens, a lens holder, white screen or white wall or white paper, a screen holder, a meter scale or you can use an optical bench, and a distant object. The principle of this experiment is that when parallel rays of light come in and fall on a convex lens, the lens converges those rays and forms an image at the focus, and the image formed is a real and inverted image. So since it is a real image, it can easily be obtained on a screen. So when we measure the distance between the image formed on the screen and the lens, we can find the focal length of this particular lens. Let us now perform the experiment.
So we need an optical bench, two holders in which we have placed a wide screen in one holder and a convex lens of unknown focal length in the second holder. We have placed this lens at 0 point of the optical bench and the screen is free to move. So we have a window here and we'll be focusing the window on this screen, and the position where we get the clearest image of the window will be the focal length of this convex lens. So let us move the screen towards the lens and see where we get a clear image of the window and the greenery outside the window so that we can find out the focal length. So look at it very carefully. Can you see the window? Yes, I think you can. And the clearest position is probably this, where even the wires that are going outside the window are clearly visible. You can see in the green landscape outside the window here and some inverted trees being formed here. So you can see that the image is corresponding to 20.5 centimeters on the scale here, and that is how we find the focal length of this convex lens with the help of this optical bench and a white screen.
Let us now record the observations. So in this case, the distant object that we focused using the lens was a window, and the position of the screen from the lens was 20.5 centimeters. That means the focal length of the lens that we used was 20.5 centimeters. Now you can take two more readings using different objects located at different distances, but please ensure that the distance of the object from the lens should be big enough so that the image is focused at the focus. So in this case, the average focal length is 20.5 centimeters because I have taken just one reading. You can take 3 readings and then calculate the average.